Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this style that I have. I got this hair from Divatressdotcom. It's the free tress Zoe braid in 26 inches, and the color is OT30, I think. I'll post a picture of the packaging in this video as well, but I just wanted to come to you guys and show you this quick tutorial. I did individual crochet in the front, and then I did a braid down. I braided the base down, and then I crocheted the back end. I'll show you what it looks like. This style took me approximately maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I didn't really kind of map it out. I just kind of went in. I was pondering what I was gonna do with the hair. I ended up getting 7 packs of hair from Divatressdotcom, and I ended up using, I think, 5.5 because I have 1 full pack left. But yeah, so I installed this hair yesterday, and I like it so far. The only thing that I would say is it's heavy. Maybe it's heavy to me because I'm not used to having crochet. This is my first time having crochet in my hair, and that would be the only thing that I would say that's a con, is that it's heavy on my head. So I'm kind of glad that I did decide to do individuals in the front and crochet in the back. I did it this way because I knew, like, the front, when I see people that usually have crochet, it doesn't look natural, or the braids, the braided base and the crochet plaits or whatever that's crocheted in, it just doesn't look natural and doesn't really flow to me. So yeah, that's why I decided to do it this way. And then I knew I would probably want to pull it up in a ponytail. Now, as far as pulling all of this up in a ponytail, there's no way there's no way that you can pull it up in a ponytail unless you want to have a major headache and major neck pain. But no, I'm just kidding. It's not really that heavy, but it is kind of heavy. But yeah, so to get this hair, you need to go to www.divatress.com and create an account, and you can click the link that'll be directly in this description box. You can click the link and get 10% off of your purchase just for clicking the link from my video. So make sure you check Divatress out. What's on my lips, guys? This is Unveil by Fenty Beauty, and on my eyes is the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And these eyelashes I just got from the beauty supply store. And y'all, I'm not no makeup guru. I'm not, by far. I just really like playing in makeup and, you know, seeing what I could do. Maybe one day I'll have makeup videos on my channel. They won't be tutorials.
Girl, bye.
I won't be teaching y'all. I'll be just showing y'all how I do what I do. But yeah, so once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Alright, you guys, let's jump into this tutorial. Right now, I'm just showing you guys how I've already braided the back down so we can begin to crochet the hair in. I'm just showing you here what the hair looks like in the packaging. Make sure you have your crochet needle. So we're just going to start with the bottom row, and you want to put the needle as close to the end as possible. So you just want to attach the hair through the loop and pull it through. Now when you pull it through, you want to pull it tight. You don't have to pull it extremely tight, but just pull it tight enough so where it won't feel loose and won't slip out. And then you just take the next piece of hair and put it as close to the previous piece of hair, and do the same thing. Okay, now that I've crocheted most of the back end, I'm going to work my way to the top and show you guys how I finish the top off. I'm doing the same method all over my hair. Alright, now that I'm done with the back, I'm going to work my way to the front. So I'm just going to moisturize this top section of hair before I begin to braid my hair. Okay, now here I'm taking maybe medium sections and parting them off. I'm going to braid my hair halfway and then twist the hair the rest of the way. I'm using some jam to get the section smooth at the root. That way whenever I do go to crochet the hair in, it'll lay nicely. Alright, now that I've gotten the front braided, I'm just going to do individual crochet. I'm going to pull the hair through the root, loop it through, and then my hair that's remaining, I'm going to take the crochet needle and pull it through the middle of the twist. As I was doing these, I realized that instead of me taking the crochet needle and pulling it through each time, I can actually just twist it and twist it down and pull my hair through the twist as I go. What happened with my camera in this clip, it looks kind of misty, I don't know. But now that we're all done, I'm going to finish off this style by taking some wrap lotion, and I use the Nairobi brand, and I'm just gonna saturate my hair with this mousse to kind of like smooth over any flyaway pieces. And then like this part right here, you can actually take gel and put it on the hair that's sticking out as well, and do the same thing by twisting it like we did before. And of course, what's a style without laid edges? So here I'm taking the Eco Styler gel with argan oil, and I'm just putting it on my edges and taking an edge brush and smoothing my edges into place. Okay guys, this style is now finished. I'm going to pull the front back into a low ponytail, and there you have it. Thanks so much for watching guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!